Hey Flitz fans, it's Graham here with Team Flitz with another episode of
Will It Shine?
where we try to turn tarnish into terrific.
Today we have some antique sterling silver pieces from the 1950s. Can the power of Flitz polish give them the shine? Let's give it a shot. Wow, look at that, it's coming back to life. 70 years of tarnish, gone. Okay, one more piece. Let's see if we get the same results. Look at that, it's coming right back to life. Will it shine? For sure. Remember, when it comes time to cleaning, polishing, protecting your prized possessions, Flitz It.